Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a subscriber recipe sent to me by Pamela Collier. I do hope I've said that right. If I didn't, I truly do apologize. And we are going to be making Aunt Pam's Raspberry Mojito Mocktail. The ingredients we're going to need are half of a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 cup of white sugar, 3 1/3 cups of boiling water, and 3/4 cup of fresh raspberries. Now I did have to throw mine in the freezer. I had bought them earlier in the week, and to make sure they stayed fresh, I did go ahead and pop them in my freezer, but they should be fine. And then roughly 8 mint leaves. Those are all our ingredients. The first thing I'm going to do is start by melting my sugar into the 3 1/3 cups of boiling water. And that should only take a second. I had just freshly boiled this water before I started. I'm also going to reach for my blender base. Now if you have an immersion blender and another pitcher, you could certainly use that. But I'm choosing to use my blender base since my raspberries are frozen. I'll add in my lime juice and my 3/4 cups of red raspberries. Now that I have those in there, I'm going to go ahead and take this over to my blender base and get this nice and blended up. Now that I have the raspberries and lime blended together, I've gone ahead and added it into a larger container. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of my simple syrup into my blender base to get all the raspberry goodness out of there. Just give it a quick little shake, and then I'm going to pour it straight into my raspberry mixture. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add the remainder of my hot boiling sugar water into there. And then I'm going to be sure to stir this well. Now that I have that stirred together, I'm going to gently bruise up and tear my mint leaves just a little bit, just to help them start releasing some of their oils. Those are going to go in. And then I'm going to place this into the refrigerator for about an hour so that it can start to chill down and allow some of those that mint oil to infuse into our mocktail. After allowing the raspberry mojito mocktail to chill in the refrigerator for about an hour, I went ahead and strained it through a sieve to remove all the seeds and those mint leaves. We don't need those anymore. They've done their job. Now all we have left to do is give it a try, and I'm very excited to try it. Very lime forward, which I really like. Definitely get that raspberry, and I do get hints of the mint. Overall, this is a fabulous drink and would go perfect at a summer party or just a really hot summer day. Once again, I want to say a huge thank you to Pamela for allowing me to do one of her recipes. I've had an absolute blast making this, and I hope you guys give this one a try soon. If you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.